Did you know you may need a judge's approval just to put your San Diego home on the market during divorce? Let me explain how this works. Hi, I'm Melina Rizon, associate broker with Coldwell Banker West here in San Diego. I am also a real estate collaboration specialist for divorce, or RCSD, which means I am trained to work neutrally with both spouses, their attorneys, and the courts. In this video, I'll explain why court approval is sometimes needed, what steps are involved, and how working with a real estate specialist for divorce will make sure the process is efficient and fair. And if you're currently navigating divorce and need clarity on your home's value, stick around until the end. I'll share with you how to get a free home value report or broker price opinion to support your case. Let's begin. The harsh reality is this: court approval becomes necessary when there's disagreement or when the home is considered a major marital asset. In California, judges want to protect both parties' interests, especially in a high-value, high-demand market like San Diego. If one spouse refuses to sell, if the court needs to divide proceeds fairly, or if the safeguards are needed to prevent either side from being disadvantaged, approval is required before the property can even be listed for sale. While it does add an extra layer of red tape, that oversight also provides peace of mind by ensuring that every step of the transaction is legally sound. This step may feel like a roadblock, but it is designed to ensure fairness, and with the right plan, it does not have to delay your timeline. The court approval process usually starts with the attorneys. An attorney will file a motion or request with the court outlining why the property should be listed. The court may ask for updated financials, including a valuation or broker price opinion to establish equity. In many cases, this step helps the judge see the full picture of the property's value before granting approval. Once that is in place, the court typically appoints a neutral realtor to handle this listing. That's where I can help. As a real estate collaboration specialist for divorce, my role is to provide fact-based guidance and valuations, act as a neutral third party, and make sure the sale complies with court orders. Once the order granting authority is signed, the home can be listed and marketed like any other property, only now under court oversight. Here's where things can get tricky. Selling during divorce is very different from a traditional sale. Emotions often run high. Communication between spouses may break down, and deadlines are legally enforced. Without a neutral professional, even small decisions like setting the price or accepting an offer can spiral out of control. This is where the court often prefers a real estate agent with divorce-specific training, someone who can keep the process on track and focused. My approach is to ground every step in data, not emotions. That means pulling local market stats, presenting timelines clearly, and ensuring both sides can understand the facts. When decisions are based on numbers rather than feelings, the process moves forward and equity is protected for both spouses. Let me pause here for a quick reminder. If this breakdown is helpful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future updates on San Diego real estate and divorce-specific topics as well. And if you'd like a free home valuation report to support your planning, I'd be glad to create one for you. The link is right in the description below. Local insight matters even more in San Diego because values vary so widely from neighborhood to neighborhood. Judges and attorneys rely on accurate pricing strategies. Even homes that are only a few miles apart can differ by hundreds of thousands of dollars in value. A home in Point Loma may carry very different dynamics compared to Claremont or even nearby Ocean Beach. Having a broker who understands the nuances of each community ensures valuations are fair and listings attract the right buyers. This local expertise is often the difference between a drawn-out court process and a smooth, timely sale. Now let's talk about why choosing the right professional makes all the difference here. Not every real estate agent is trained in divorce real estate. The complexity of court-involved sales require a skill that go beyond traditional buying and selling. A real estate collaboration specialist for divorce is specifically trained to work with attorneys and mediators, courts, providing neutral guidance that both spouses can trust. This reduces conflict, keeps communication structured, and ensures compliance with California divorce and property laws. When the court knows a neutral specialist is handling the sale, approvals often move more smoothly. And for homeowners, that means less stress during an already difficult time. So here is the takeaway. Getting court approval to list a home mid-divorce may sound intimidating, but it is simply a process with clear steps. Request approval, provide valuations, appoint a neutral realtor, and proceed with oversight. With the right guidance, it becomes just another step on the path to a fair resolution. The focus stays on results, selling the home for market value rather than conflict. When spouses, attorneys, and the court all have confidence in the process, the sale moves forward with less stress and fewer surprises. And for divorcing homeowners in San Diego, that means protecting one of the most important assets while creating space to move on with clarity. If you're going through a divorce in San Diego and need to sell your home under court approval, let's connect. I'll guide you through the process, work neutrally with your attorneys, and ensure your home is marketed effectively while meeting all legal requirements. Don't forget to subscribe for more San Diego real estate updates. And if you'd like a free home value report, find the link below. My name is Melina Rizon, Coldwell Banker West, San Diego. See you next time.